Hello everybody. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this little do right here, and there's a lot of volume to it and it's very fresh and summery. If you guys want to see how I achieved this little do, keep on watching. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start by showing you guys what shampoo I used. And this is the shampoo I use when I want like a ton of volume in the morning. I go in with the Aveda Pure Balance volumizing shampoo, and I could see the difference when I use the clearing shampoo and this one gives me a lot of volume. And I use only a little bit of conditioner when I'm trying to get like a lot of volume, because conditioner, it makes sense that it weighs down your hair. But I like this shampure one from Aveda. These two, you guys, are it for like a perfect blowout or like a lot of volume. Right now I have, obviously you guys can see, like a little bob going on, and it's very easy to blow out my hair. So this is more like for like a shorter hairstyle. I have some clips right here and the products that I already put in my hair. I use this Made Magic 10-in-1 primer. I'm gonna put a little bit more. My hair is already, I would say right now it's about, I mean the back is still really wet, kind of. It's like damp. You don't want your hair like to be super dry, never. You want it to be about like 80% dry before you start blow drying. So I'm about like 60 right now. The front obviously dries a little bit quicker. So I go in with a little bit of this by Eva NYC, and I put a little bit of the It's a 10 already on in my hair, and I do that right when I get out of, before I get out of the shower. There's something flying around. So I recently was trying the Aveda Nutri-Plenish. When I purchased the shampoos, I got one of these as like a sample, and the other one I just added it because I wanted to try it, and I absolutely love these. I love these a lot. I love how my hair felt throughout the day, and I just absolutely love it. I am missing I'm missing something. I'll be right back. So I'm back. I like this Living Proof, this right here. The Living Proof Nourishing Oil stops frizz and adds a healthy shine, and it's not oily. Like, I have really thin hair, and if it gets really oily, I would have to wash my hair all over again, and it's happened to me. So this, I only put this much, and I only put it on the ends. Like literally only on the ends. I'll go like this. And I do it right before I blow dry the hair and after I finish my blowout. That's how you can tell like a professional, and I am not a professional by any means. I'm just really experienced. Well, I guess that's a professional. I'm a professional. So I'm just gonna part my hair now. So let's get into it. I love to use this little mouth. That's my preference. It allows me to control where I put the heat, and my hair's not blowing everywhere, and my hair's like, ah! So I have to like use this for control. It helps a lot, trust me. Okay, so now that I finished blow drying my hair, this is what it turns out. There's a lot of volume. Obviously, it doesn't even know what to do with all this volume. My hair's like, oh my god, what do I do with all this volume? But I'm gonna show you what to do. It's work, you know. My arm was like, giving out. It's work. So, and it's an art. Okay, you gotta go slow. Sometimes I'm like, okay, I want to finish, but slow and easy wins the race. So we're gonna go back in with the living proof, and we're gonna just put a little bit onto the ends again after you have blow dried your hair. And the next morning it's gonna be so soft. And I absolutely love it. It smells so good that I want to eat it. It's paraben free, sulfate free, and it smells so good. So I just go through my ends like this, and my husband always like comments when I put this. He's like, oh my god, did you change your shampoo? Because it smells so good. I'm like, no, it's the dry shampoo. But it smells so good. So in the morning, I'll just put this on the ends, and it leaves my hair so soft. There you have it. That is how I blow dry my hair, and it gives you a lot of volume. So if you have like short hair like mine, it's gonna look great, you guys. It's gonna look great. You just, you know, it's a little bit of a workout, but it's worth it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.